Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another amazing episode where we at Today Associates bring to you scintillating floors from Gurgaon. Now the one I'm standing here is in DLF Phase 2. It's the heart of Gurgaon. It is 418 square yards. It's on the 18-meter wide road, 200 meters from the National Highway. What else could you ask for? Go check it out. Now we're standing in the drawing cum dining area. Again, lovely wallpaper at my back. There's wooden paneling done on the up and there's stone marbling done here. I mean, luxury at its peak. Look how lovely it is. Everything stone. Love the lighting that they've given here. A huge space for your guests to come and enjoy. There's balcony outside. What else could you ask for? Go check it out. Now I'm taking you to the master bedroom. Again, before I say something, they have lovely leather sheets here. Everything speaks luxury. Look at the lovely paneling that they've done here, which is great. Everything is Italian marble, again luxury. Everything about this floor speaks volumes about the luxury. Now, before I show you everything, I want to make sure that you guys understand that we have the best deal possible for this builder floor. इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि आपको ऐसा प्राइस कहीं पे भी और गुड़गांव में नहीं मिलेगा जो प्राइस हम आपको कोट कर रहे हैं. So make sure you check that out. And now, please check out the washroom. Now we're here in the guest room. Again, a cozy guest room is exactly what the doctor ordered. Now the nice thing is it's very aesthetically nice. When your guests come over, it's going to be really cozy. I love that it has a balcony here. Again, you can have a chair for your guests. They can have their morning tea and enjoy time. Go check that out. Now when we say luxury, again this builder floor is all about that. I am actually going to take you to the kitchen area. I love that they have nice glass doors here. A really nice island kitchen. I love it. A lot of space. Every appliance is branded. Again, something that is super nice when we look in for a kitchen. I love that they have an extra space for you to wash your utensils. You have a separate area for your pantry. You have a really nice cross ventilation happening here, which works great. Go check that out. Now, if you ask me, this is going to be your nice sitting down area. For a person like me, I would really like to have a nice bookshelf here, have my reading corner here, which is again very important for me. Come follow me as I take you to the next bedroom. Again, something which is great is their spacious rooms here. Again, a very nice thing. I don't want to keep saying more because I want you to see the paneling that they've done here. Again, very great. They have a walk-in closet which works great. A lot of space for your mirror for you to keep your stuff. Go check it out.